If you're stuck writing melodies the same way over and over, Ableton Live 12's seed generator is about to change that. It doesn't just spit out random notes, it gives you controlled randomness, generating ideas within musical boundaries. You set the key, scale, pitch range, and note density, and it builds phrases that sound intentional but still surprise you. It's perfect for writing hooks, ostinatos, countermelodies, or bass lines. Every time you hit the regenerate button, you get a fresh variation that stays harmonically grounded. To get started, load a MIDI track with a synth or piano, add seed generator, and set your loop to 2 or 4 bars. Use a fitting scale like D minor, set the pitch range between C3 and C5, keep density around 50%, and try 3 to 5 voices. Click generate and let it run. You'll hear something different each time, but it'll always stay in key. When something clicks, freeze the output or record it, then clean up the MIDI, shift the timing, or duplicate a standout note to make it a hook. Want a bass line instead? Lower the pitch range, tighten the rhythm, and drop the voices to 1 or 2. That's it, you've got a groove. Try layering multiple seed generators, one for lead, one for bass, and another as a background texture. Set different pitch ranges and scales for each and play them together to hear how melodies interact in ways you wouldn't think to write by hand. This tool is about discovering ideas, not forcing them. You don't need to draw every note, just guide the randomness, then refine what works. If you want our free Ableton tools and creative guides to get the most out of Seed Generator, comment Ableton below and we'll DM you the link.